Hi, this is Alex S. Johnson, and I'm reading a piece from Dr. Flesh, Director's Cut. And this is from the second part of the novel. It's called Pink Holocaust. So, basically, the dream descends on the women of Sugar Valley like the slow drift of Coke flakes in a glass globe. Grim, monotonous, inexorable, a thing of horrors and wonders. They're herded past exit signs and urged forth with cattle prods, naked, shaking, traumatized past the point where endurance expires and madness rears its toothy grin. "This girl looks downright anemic," snarls Dr. Shrek to his trembling nurse. "Start an IV, use the Gakon bowl. She needs some spunk in her veins. No wonder she keeps yammering away like a baby with a Cookie Jones." "But doctor, are you sure?" "Spunk and only spunk will cure what ails her," says Shrek. "Step aside, I'll do it myself." He spanks the recalcitrant arm, looking for a good vein. "Looks like I'll need to vein douse." Taking up an instrument familiar to the Spanish Inquisition, Dr. Shrek prods and pokes the arm until a vein stands up like an earthworm. "Sometimes you gotta go medieval on these people, it's the only way." He rams the butterfly IV in the vein, stepping back as bright arterial blood splashes his scrubs. "Why is this patient asleep?" "She needs to experience this. I think we all need to experience this. Radical invasive surgery without full awareness is just butchery," says Shrek under his breath. "All the great ones knew this." "Nurse," he says, raising his voice, "I want you to mix some gore candy, you know, the acid, tranks, a bit of dexedrine, a full cocktail, and keep it coming." He steps back from the leaking patient. More blood slops on the floor. "And bring him up. How do you expect me to work under these conditions?" "Yes, doctor," says the nurse, bug-eyed with terror. "Anything else?" "The puppet. I'll need the puppet." "But the puppet is already attached." "Oh yes, I forgot. How convenient." Dr. Shrek recalls the bizarre lab accident in which the Burpee Melmo puppet became grafted to his left hand. "Well then, bring Dr. Fuzzly his instruments and an enema bag. Hop to it." "Who is Dr. Fuzzly?" Shrek waved the hand puppet imperiously. "This is Dr. Fuzzly. Or have you forgotten already?" "I cannot countenance any of this," said Dr. Fuzzly. "Dr. Shrek, I will expose you and your nefarious practices. Your name will become a cautionary tale in the annals of medicine." Shrek roared with laughter. "You dare lecture me on medical practice? You participated in the butt puppet protocols. Don't tell me you're having regrets now." "Barrels of half-butt puppets tossed into vats brimming with radioactive slop," retorted Fuzzly, "is not science, it's insanity. You must end this now." "We're joined at the wrist," said Shrek, bringing Fuzzly up to his face. Fuzzly shrank at the sight of Shrek's rolling bloodshot eyes. The foam gathered at the corner of his lips. "Our destinies are united." "Please don't spit on me," said Fuzzly. "Spit on you? Oh no, you object to good clean saliva. I've got a half a mind to teach you some manners. Why don't we take a trip to the toilet and talk this through? I feel a fat steaming shit coming on." "Please, no, anything but that," shrieked Fuzzly. "I promise. I'll assist you. I'll be a good colleague. Anything, but don't stuff me up there and use my head like a dildo. Please, I'll be nice. I'll change." "I don't need your excuses or your pleas," said Shrek. "You'll do what I say or I'll cut you off. I don't care how much it hurts. I will have a cooperative assistant or I will make one. Nurse, bring the micro kit. It's time to go balls deep."